Hey friends, thanks for joining me. We need to talk about how to hold your work in the horizontal position. All right, friends, so if you've ever been welding and you've burned that rod a little too far down and you realize you've burnt your glove, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But first, before you hit that subscribe button, let's talk about horizontal welding. So one of our positions that we weld in is in the horizontal position, to where our rod is out in front of our weldment. So here we have an open root weld here. We have to be able to hold it in this position and weld. So the way we do that here is we have a vice grip C-clamp, and we adjust it so it clamps onto our upright and it clamps onto our handle. So this is your vice grip C-clamp. This is what you will get it as. Sometimes this piece comes out. Now, obviously, these are getting some age on them. There's a lot of spatter on them. These things are probably 10 years old now, so they've seen a lot of welding. So if it pops out, that's no big deal. What you can do is close this, rotate this bar over in the other handle, and then let it down, and it's a functioning vice grip C-clamp again. And the way you adjust this is by this little adjusting screw down here. If you want it wider, if you want this space wider, you back this screw out and it becomes wider. If it needs to be narrower, tighter, you turn this clockwise and adjust it tighter. It will depend on how thick your handle is and how thick your upright is. So the way this will work is your vice grip C-clamp has this little lever here that will unlock it. You press that and it will unlock your C-clamp. When you get your weldment all tacked up, you're going to adjust it so that way when you clamp it, it will hold it there for you. So these are the vice grip C-clamps, and that's what we use to hold our weld in the horizontal, vertical, and overhead positions. Hey, thanks so much for watching, folks. I appreciate the view. And remember, if you ever burnt that rod too far and realize you burnt your glove, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to work hard, because hard work is its own reward and it makes you better. And thanks for watching, friends.